Archbishop Niederhauer. And this is the dance that took place when Pope Benedict had the Mass in the United States, in the Yankee Stadium. Spiritual dancing. Where does all this stuff come from? The Methodist Center for Spiritual Formation. And now I want you to wake up. Now let's go to a Protestant webpage and see how far the rot has gone. Is that fair enough? This is the Methodist webpage. Spiritual formation gatherings are the day or weekend retreat designed to meet the interests and needs of those seeking a deeper walk in their spiritual journey. Now, what are they going to train us for? Please note the programs are for what years? 2008 and 2009. That's now. Prayer labyrinth. Encountering the Holy Spirit on the journey within. Learn about the history of the labyrinth and join fellow sojourners on the labyrinth prayer, a Methodist webpage. John Wesley wouldn't turn over in his grave, he'd spin if he could. Methodist, monastic spirituality. Monasticism and spirituality have always been two sides of the same coin. In the last several decades, many monastic communities have sprung up as people have tried a formal religion and sought a closer communion with God. We're becoming monks and nuns. Thais worship. Thais in many things in a small village in southwest France